Cops want victim statement in Kaylan Dowdie beating. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. The police want to collect a statement from 17-year-old Kaylan Dowdie, who was beaten within an inch of her life last November and is currently on life support. On Wednesday, when the matter was mentioned in the corporate area parish court, the investigation officer indicated that the police are monitoring the teenager's condition. Consequently, another mention date was set for July 15, and bail for the 5 women accused of battering Kaylan Dowdie were extended. The accused, 22-year-old waitress Timor Williams, 33-year-old Nadine Aldridge, who is unemployed, 28-year-old call center representative Shakina McLeod, 26-year-old sales representative Christian Lewis, and 45-year-old laborer Yolanda Vassell are all charged with wounding with intent and unlawful wounding. Kaylan Dowdie, a past student of Pupin High School, was reportedly attacked and beaten by a group of women on Saturday, November 7th at an illegal party hosted in Barbican, St. Andrew. She was allegedly beaten, kicked, and stabbed in the neck. Dowdie, who was unconscious and had to be fitted with a pacemaker, was reportedly attacked after being accused of staring at one of the women at the party. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.